how to set the camera default preset to last use video or photo or time-lapse on the GoPro 9, 10, 11 or GoPro 12. First, press on the mode button on the side to return back to the main camera screen. Then we swipe down at the top. Next, swipe across. Then tap on Preferences. Then tap on General. Now we swipe down and tap on Default Preset. In here you can swipe up or down to select last use video, last use photo or last use time-lapse. So select one of the options and then we can swipe back to go back to the previous settings, or you can press on the side button here to go back to your main camera screen. So we can swipe up, or you can simply just press on the side button here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.